Welcome to Baguio, a city nestled in the mountains of the Philippines. Baguio is known for its cool climate, scenic views, and vibrant culture. Baguio is home to many beautiful attractions. With so much to see and do, it can be overwhelming for tourists to plan their itinerary.
Fortunately, we have a solution to make your trip planning a breeze. Using graph theory, traveling salesman, and nearest neighbor algorithm, we can create a customized travel itinerary for you.
Graph theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of graphs, which are mathematical structures consisting of vertices and edges. Graphs consist of nodes, also called vertices, and edges, which represent the connections between the nodes. Edges can contain weights, which represent a certain value. In an itinerary's context, the weights of the edges are the distances between locations or vertices.
The traveling salesman problem is a mathematical problem that involves finding the shortest possible route that visits every location on a given list and comes back to the starting location. In the context of making a travel itinerary, the traveling salesman problem can be used to optimize the order in which various tourist spots are visited in order to minimize travel distance, as well as returning to the starting location.
The nearest neighbor algorithm is a mathematical approach that can help find the shortest route between a set of nodes or vertices. In the context of tourism, it can be used to create an efficient itinerary that allows tourists to see as many sites as possible while minimizing travel time.
Here, we have a list of the top recommendations that visitors should not miss. The following are labeled with their corresponding letters, which represents vertices in a graph. A. Bus Terminal. B. Purnham Park. C. Camp John Hay. D. Heritage Hill and Nature Park. E. Mirador Heritage and Eco Park. F. Bencab Museum. G. Tamawan Village. H. Igorot Stone Kingdom. I. Strawberry Farm. J. Bell Church. K. Bamboo Sanctuary. L. Mines View Park. M. The Mansion. N. Botanical Garden.
Notice that we also added the bus terminal as the initial starting point. Our goal is to create an itinerary that allows us to visit all these locations with the least distance traveled and return to the starting location. Since there are 14 locations, it is practical to make a 3-day itinerary, as this provides sufficient time for travelers to fully appreciate the features and attractions of each destination. So here is an illustration of all the destinations in Google Maps.
Here, we have a table of the distances of the route between each location.
Now, it's time to apply the nearest neighbor algorithm, or NN for short. To determine the optimal route using the NN algorithm, we must start at vertex A, which represents the bus terminal, and visit the nearest unvisited vertex at each step until all the vertices have been visited. In applying the NN algorithm, the algorithm went as follows. Step 1. Begin from vertex A, which is the Victory Liner bus terminal. Locate the nearest unvisited vertex. Then, consider the edges with a shorted weighted distance, and move to the connected vertex. Step 3. Repeat step 2 until you arrive again at the initial point. Step 4. Compute the total distance of the tour.
After applying the algorithm, here's the result. The tourist must follow this route A to C, C to B, B to E, E to D, D to G, G to H, H to J, J to I to N to M to L to K to F to A. The best way to visit all the location is to go from bus terminal starting point to Camp John High to Burnham Park to Mirador Heritage and Eco Park to Heritage Hill and Nature Park to Tamawan Village to Igorot Stone Kingdom to Bell Church to Strawberry Farm to Botanical Garden to the Mansion to the Mines View Park to the Bamboo Sanctuary to the Ben Cub Museum. After, we will now return to bus terminal endpoint.
And there you have it! A simple solution to a common problem faced by tourists in Baguio, with the help of the nearest neighbor algorithm and graph theory. Tourists can make the most of their trip to this beautiful city. Thanks for watching! Bye!